He has denied his people freedom, exploited their wealth, murdered opponents at home and abroad, and terrorized innocent people around the world, including Americans who were killed by Libyan agents. Last month, Gaddafi's grip of fear appeared to give way to the promise of freedom. In cities and towns across the country, Libyans took to the streets to claim their basic human rights. As one Libyan said, "For the first time, we finally have hope that our nightmare of 40 years will soon be over." Faced with this opposition, Gaddafi began attacking his people. As president, my immediate concern was the safety of our citizens, so we evacuated our embassy and all Americans who sought our assistance. When we took a series of swift steps in a matter of days to answer Gaddafi's aggression.
Western powers played a pivotal role in the fall of Gaddafi in 2011. Ultimately, they capitalized on the unrest sweeping the Middle East and North Africa during the Arab Spring. While widespread calls for democratic reform characterized the Libyan uprising, the West's decisive intervention sealed Gaddafi's fate. Reports of human rights abuses quickly reached the international community, providing the West with a pretext for action. Gaddafi's government responded with severe measures to stop the protests and stifle dissent. Spearheading the charge, Western nations pushed through the 1973 United Nations Security Council resolution. This granted them broad authority to use all necessary measures in Libya, justifying the NATO-led bombing campaign that followed. Under the guise of protecting civilians, these airstrikes crippled Gaddafi's military. This turned the tide in favor of the rebels, who might have otherwise struggled against Gaddafi's loyal forces. The West's motives extended beyond simple humanitarian concerns. Removing Gaddafi, a long-time thorn in their side, aligned with geopolitical ambitions.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.